Welcome to Sparkler Learning. In Sparkler cities, states, and programs, parents and caregivers can use the Sparkler app to complete the Ages and Stages questionnaires right on their phones or tablets. The app also offers activities to spark early learning and gives answers to common parenting questions. Babies don't come with instructions, and sometimes it's tough to understand their development and what you, their parent or caregiver, should do. Sparkler can help. This video will help you navigate through the Sparkler app. This is your home screen. It's the first thing you'll see when you open the app. At the top of the screen, you'll see your child's initials or photo. If you've registered more than one child with Sparkler, you'll be able to swipe between their profiles. You'll also see a little gear in the upper right corner. That's Settings, where you can update the app language, add a child, or link up with a new program. From the home screen, you can go anywhere in Sparkler. If your program is offering the Ages and Stages questionnaires, you'll see the current screening available to you to fill out on your home screen. The tile will go away once you've filled it out, until your child gets older and a new questionnaire is available to complete. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice 5 icons: Home, Know, Play, Grow, and Connect. Let's talk more about what you can do as you navigate through these sections. Tap Know to learn about your child's development with the mobile ASQs and to access tips for parents and caregivers. The ASQ helps families, educators, doctors, and other providers understand a child's strengths, celebrate milestones, set goals, and access support. Under Know, you can also browse Sparkler's library of tips for adults to find information about child development and how you, as a parent or caregiver, can help your child thrive. When you finish reading a tip, press We Learned It to keep track of what you learn and earn Sparkler points. Tap into the Play section of Sparkler to find thousands of off-screen play activities you can do with your child to help develop their heart, mind, words, and body. You can look for a play activity by theme or use the search and filter functions to find an activity to strengthen areas noted in your child's ASQ results. When you've selected your activity, tap it to find a step-by-step play guide and related tips such as vocabulary words to practice as you play. When you've completed the activity, snap a photo of what you did and tap the We Did It button to keep track of all that you accomplish with your child. You will even earn Sparklers for each activity you complete. When you tap to see your progress, you'll go to the Grow section of the app. Here, you'll see all of the sparkles you've earned as you've played and reviewed tips for adults. You'll also have access to your scrapbook, where you can look back on all you and your child have accomplished together in Sparkler. Tap Connect to get in touch with your program, the teacher, home visitor, or other provider who you're linked with on Sparkler. You can ask questions, share concerns, or get activity suggestions. With Sparkler, you're never alone in supporting your child's learning and understanding their development. We are excited to welcome you to the Sparkler community as you embark on this adventure of learning and development with your child. Learn more at playsparkler.org.